The best upside-down PC cases for left-handed with sturdy construction, attractive aesthetic qualities, and adequate cooling. It's not as simple to buy any enclosure to house the components of your inverted PC. This is a DIY project that you enjoy carrying out specifically for your requirements. Therefore, it's crucial to choose your right-side window computer case wisely. Even slim mid-towers and EATX chassis offer a variety of options from various space-saving compact designs. But you can select an EATX case for an extreme build or a small inverted EATX enclosure for a typical gaming setup with pleasing looks. The unusual but advantageous inverted layout enables you to configure a unique computer system in the opposite orientation, displaying a tastefully built custom PC for left-handed preferences. With the GPU positioned at the top sector in vertical alignment and the CPU positioned at the bottom with the panel window view on the right side, it truly creates a unique setup. This upright layout distinguishes an inverted PC case from a standard one.